Hey guys, how's it going? How to enable caching for faster websites on Bluehost. First of all, go ahead to the official website and make sure that you select the best plan. And if you're on the best plan, please visit the link in the description box. Now what you're gonna do, if you want to enable caching for faster website, first of all, go ahead and click websites, right? And then locate the website for which you wish to manage caching and click the settings, right? If you're using WordPress, of course, you're gonna click the settings, right? And then click the speed option, all right here at the top. And then basically you're gonna be able to see the caching control, right? Caching level, assets, and website pages, or clear cache if you want to start fresh. And then basically if you want to clear cache for a specific URL, just go ahead and add your domain and then click clear URL. You can manage caching settings, clear cache, or add Cloudflare. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.